Hi everyone, let's take a minute and have a look at a feature inside Studio One that you may have missed. So you're just starting out with this whole Studio One and recording thing, and you've seen some extra gear that you might need to purchase, like a MIDI controller. Or do you? So I'm going to show you inside Studio One, there is a device you can use with your own computer's keyboard to input note data. So let me show you. So here we are over on a blank arrangement. So I'll be using Impact for this, so we need to create an instrument track. So Studio One makes it really easy just to grab Impact from the instruments browser here, straight onto the arrangement. Studio One goes ahead and creates a track for us and also an instrument. Then you need to choose the instrument that you'll be playing with. So for this, I'm going to be using my own kit here, which is the Cajun kit I made a little while ago. Please email me at andrewhazzard@me.com if you would like a copy of this. Some great samples here for you to use. So obviously you can press on each of the pads here to get the sounds. But let's say you just want to get some quick rhythm down and you don't have a MIDI controller. Studio One makes it really easy to get this done. Just simply hit caps lock on your computer's keyboard and you'll notice that we have a QWERTY keyboard show up here. One thing to note is the arrow keys here lets you change the octave of the range you're playing. So as you can see on my drum kit here, we have C1 is the start and it goes up to D sharp 2. So you just got to make sure that you're in the right range here. And also at this stage, make sure you put the monitor button on so that you can hear what you're doing. And then you can play it with your keyboard. All right, so now you can go ahead, arm the track to record, and record your part.